Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Stardew Valley cookbook. Today we're making seafoam pudding. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what to make next in the comments below, and check my other channel, link in the description. To start this recipe off, you're going to want to peel and cut in half a 4-inch piece of ginger. I've vastly underestimated how much 4 inches is. And then you're going to grate the one side. You're going to grate one half, and you're going to cut the other half into thin matchsticks. Then, on the same grater, you're going to grate 2 cloves of garlic. Then, put those in a bowl along with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, and a teaspoon of ground white pepper, and just mix it together. Next, you're going to take 12 ounces of flounder fillet and 12 ounces of carper cod, and you're going to cut them both into 2-inch pieces, making sure to remove the skin from the carper cod, if it has any. Then you're going to put them in a bowl with your marinade and put them in the fridge until you're ready to use them. Next, you're going to take a cup of jasmine rice and rinse it, and then you're going to add it into a Dutch oven along with 2 quarts of good quality fish stock and 2 cups of water. You're then going to bring it up to a boil, lower it to a simmer, and simmer for an hour. While that's simmering / getting to a boil, you're going to want to cut up a half a cup of scallions, thinly sliced, and also half a cup of cilantro leaves. Finally, when your rice is done for the hour, you're going to add your fish in and cook it for 10 minutes until it's cooked through and flaky. This is pretty good. I don't think the rice was the correct consistency that I wanted it to be, but still good nonetheless. I would make it again because, you know, it was yummy. I also didn't keep the fish in the marinade, but to be fair, after I was done dipping all the fish in the marinade, it was like there's barely any marinade left, so it's like it didn't really matter. Yeah, I would give it like a solid 8 out of 10. Very yummy.